This is a graph matching question, and there's 5 graphs and then 5 equations. A and D are both straight lines, and that means that they're going to take the form of y is equal to mx plus c. With B, that is a quadratic, so that is going to be a y is equal to an x squared. With C, that is a reciprocal, which has the general form and equation as y is equal to 1 over x. And then with E, that is then a cubic, so that's going to be a y is equal to x cubed of some sort. What we can then do is, with these 3, because they're quite distinct, we can fill them in straight away. So B, which is a quadratic, you're going to scan all of these equations and see which one then has a quadratic term in it. And what you notice is that top one has a quadratic term as y is equal to x squared. So that would then be B. With C, you're looking for a reciprocal, so y is equal to 1 over x, or y is equal to something over x, and you can see that is that one there. So that would be C. You're then looking for E, which is a cubic, so you're scanning all of these and seeing which one then has an x cubed, and you see the one that has an x cubed is that third one, so I'm then going to put E here. So we've now got 2 equations left, which is y is equal to x plus 3 and y is equal to 5 minus 2x. In your general form of y is equal to mx plus c, m stands for your gradient, which is the slope, and the c stands for your y-intercept, which is where it passes through the y-axis. When we look at both of these 2 here, you see that one of them is upward sloping and one of them is downward sloping. The one that is upward sloping, which is D, is going to have an n value which is positive. So it's going to have a positive gradient. The one that is downward sloping is going to have an m value which is negative, so a negative gradient of some sort. So when we look at these 2 in more detail, what you'll see is for the first one, the m value is 1. So that then has a positive gradient, which therefore means that one must be D. And then for the last one, your gradient for that line is then negative 2. So that's a negative value, so then that must be A. Whenever you're matching any of these graph kind of questions, go for the easiest ones first, then use process of elimination to then find the rest of them.